To the people of Somalia, congratulations. Your commitment to economic reforms over the years has paid off. This moment is a reminder that countries do come together to help each other in their time of need, providing some welcome good news during these very difficult times. Starting today, Somalia will gain access to new financial resources from development partners, resources that can begin to build a more resilient and prosperous future for Somalia's people. We at the IMF are proud to be one of your partners and will continue to support you along the way to a better future.